Welcome to Birds, Bakes, Bits and Bobs. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. This video is going to show you how to give your cage a semi-deep clean. Let's take out Kiwi and Zazu so that they don't get stressed. Now let's remove any old bedding, any mess, such as feathers or seeds. It's time now to get rid of anything and everything that's in your cage. Let's take out the tray with all the mess in. It's time to wash up. This is Friends Farm Keep It Clean. It's a brilliant product to clean toys, to clean the cage with for any small animals you have. And this is a lavender scent, but you can also get it in lemon too. I sometimes use a sponge or a toothbrush just to get in between all the little gaps that are awkward to get to. I tend to wash the toys first in the water and then rinse it under some hot water to wash off any other stuff that I don't want on there. Let's just spray more of this Keep It Clean just to get off any of those tough bits on those perches. Because the birds enjoy biting this cork perch, I choose not to use any cleaning products. I just use hot water on it and my toothbrush and my sponge to scrape off any mess. And now it's time to wash their food pots and water pots. And again, I don't use any cleaning products, just hot water to clear out any mess that is on it. Now we're going to hoover any remaining seeds so that we can get it ready to wipe it down with more of that Keep It Clean farm animal spray. Now this is a semi-deep clean video, so I'm just wiping it down with the Keep It Clean spray, but for a proper deep clean I would actually remove the base from the cage and wash it with hot soapy water, but this way we're just having a quick clean of the cage bars. We're just wiping the base here in preparation for when we put the layer of newspaper down in the tray to collect any of the mess that comes from the birds. Usually you should be careful when putting newspaper down as the bedding for your bird cage, as you don't want the birds to eat it and any inks that are on it, but we have the grate just on top which protects the birds from getting to the newspaper. Now that we've washed all the perches and all the toys, let's put them back in the cage, ready for the birds to enjoy their home again. I tend to put most of the perches on the higher level of the cage purely because the birds enjoy it there more. When I put my toys in my cage, I keep the ones that they enjoy but put them in a different place, but I also add some different toys in, and I tend to change the toys every week. Here we're filling up their water and I'm putting it into this glass to get the amount to add the probiotics, and here we have the Avi Pro probiotics that I mix, and I mix 1.5 spoons with the 2 pots that I have of water. And now I pour the probiotic water back into their pot, ready to put back into their cage. Of course, we mustn't forget their food, so fresh food has been put back into the cage along with their cuttlebone and mineral block and fresh bedding. Let's head back, Kiwi and Zazu. And now they're all ready to explore their clean, beautiful cage with all their fantastic new toys in and tuck into the delicious food. Thank you for watching.